How the human ear works. Complete ear anatomy explained. Have you ever wondered how you can hear a whisper from across the room or enjoy the beautiful sound of music? Every single sound you hear begins an incredible journey through one of the most fascinating organs in the human body, the ear. The human ear is much more than just the part you can see on the side of your head. It is a highly advanced sensory organ that allows us to hear sounds, maintain balance, and understand the world around us. Every second your ears are collecting sound waves, converting them into electrical signals and sending them to your brain where they become meaningful sounds. In this video we will explore the complete anatomy of the human ear, discover how hearing works, and learn why this amazing organ is essential for everyday life. Let us begin with the three main parts of the ear. The outer ear. The outer ear is the visible part of the ear called the pinna or auricle. Its curved shape helps collect sound waves from the environment and directs them into the ear canal. The ear canal is a narrow tube about 2.5 centimeters long. It carries sound waves toward the eardrum. Tiny hairs and earwax inside the canal help protect the ear by trapping dust, dirt, and insects, preventing them from reaching the deeper parts of the ear. At the end of the ear canal lies the eardrum, also known as the tympanic membrane. This thin, flexible membrane vibrates whenever sound waves strike it. These vibrations begin the process of hearing. The middle ear. Behind the eardrum is the middle ear, an air-filled chamber containing the three smallest bones in the human body. These tiny bones are called the malleus, the incus, and the stapes. They are often known as the hammer, the anvil, and the stirrup because of their shapes. When the eardrum vibrates, these bones move together like a chain. They amplify the sound vibrations, making them much stronger before passing them into the inner ear. Without these tiny bones, many sounds would be too weak for us to hear clearly. The middle ear is also connected to the back of the throat through the eustachian tube. This tube helps equalize air pressure on both sides of the eardrum. That is why swallowing or yawning often makes your ears pop during airplane flights or while driving through mountains. The inner ear. The inner ear is the most complex and important part of the hearing system. It contains the cochlea, a spiral-shaped structure that looks like a tiny snail shell. Inside the cochlea is a special fluid and thousands of microscopic hair cells. As sound vibrations enter the cochlea, they create waves in the fluid. These waves bend the tiny hair cells. Each hair cell is sensitive to different sound frequencies. Some respond to high-pitched sounds while others detect lower tones. When these hair cells bend, they convert mechanical vibrations into electrical signals. These electrical signals travel through the auditory nerve directly to the brain. The brain processes the information, allowing you to recognize voices, music, laughter, and every other sound around you. This entire process happens within a fraction of a second, making hearing one of the fastest sensory systems in the human body. How the brain understands sound. Receiving sound signals is only part of the process. The brain plays the biggest role in understanding what we hear. Different regions of the brain identify whether a sound is speech, music, an animal, or background noise. The brain also determines where the sound is coming from by comparing the signals received from both ears. This remarkable ability helps us locate people, recognize familiar voices, and react quickly to potential dangers. How we maintain balance. The inner ear is responsible not only for hearing but also for maintaining balance. Located beside the cochlea are three semicircular canals filled with fluid. These canals detect movements of the head in different directions. Whenever you turn your head, the fluid inside these canals moves. Tiny sensory cells detect this movement and send signals to the brain. The brain combines this information with signals from your eyes and muscles, helping you stay balanced while walking, running, or standing still. If the balance system is disturbed, you may experience dizziness, vertigo, or difficulty walking. Common ear problems. Like every organ, the ear can develop health problems. Ear infections are very common, especially in children. They may cause pain, fever, and temporary hearing loss. Too much earwax can block the ear canal, reducing hearing until it is safely removed. Loud noises can permanently damage the delicate hair cells inside the cochlea. Once these cells are destroyed, they cannot grow back, making hearing loss permanent. A ruptured eardrum caused by injury, infection, or sudden pressure changes can also affect hearing, although many small tears heal naturally over time. How to protect your hearing. Protecting your ears is easier than many people think. Avoid listening to loud music for long periods, especially through headphones. Wear hearing protection in noisy workplaces or during concerts. Never insert sharp objects into your ears because they can damage the ear canal or eardrum. Keep your ears clean but avoid excessive cleaning since earwax naturally protects the ear. Visit a healthcare professional if you notice hearing loss, ear pain, ringing in the ears, or persistent dizziness. Amazing facts about the human ear. The smallest bone in the human body is the stapes, located inside the middle ear. The human ear can detect an enormous range of sound frequencies from approximately 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, although this range gradually decreases with age. The ear continues working even while you are asleep, allowing your brain to detect important sounds such as alarms or someone calling your name. Each ear contains around 16,000 delicate hair cells that play a crucial role in hearing. Conclusion. The human ear is an extraordinary masterpiece of biological engineering, from collecting sound waves to converting them into electrical signals and helping us maintain perfect balance. Every part works together with incredible precision. Every conversation, every favorite song, every laugh, and every beautiful sound you hear is made possible by this remarkable organ. Understanding how the ear works reminds us how important it is to protect our hearing and appreciate one of the most amazing sensory systems in the human body. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible anatomy of the human ear, stay tuned for more fascinating videos exploring the wonders of the human body.